Greetings, YouTube. It's a Silvertop Flyer coming at you from Cleveland, Georgia. We're going to go ahead and review the Sharper Image DRO005 today. It is a live streaming drone. It has a 0.3 megapixel camera. That connects to either your Android or your iOS phone. It allows you to capture video and pictures with the supplied app that you'll find in the Google Play Store. In the box, we'll find the drone, extra set of props, your USB charger, and your prop guards. This drone does not require any kind of FAA registration. It is under the weight limit. You're going to have the auto orientation, auto landing, and 360-degree stunt rules. Now, I've flown this aircraft several times. I've also crashed her several times, but she seems to recover from it every single time, no problem. Now, I'm going to go ahead and show you a couple of things with the drone that I particularly like. When you turn her on, you have the white lights out front, and you have the red lights in the back. I find that very, very useful, because sometimes I will go outside and fly at night. At nighttime, of course, you can't see the drone, but you can see them LEDs they have in there. And that keeps you from, getting turned around and losing your aircraft. I would suggest this aircraft to any beginner. She is very, very forgiving and very, very stable flight. I'll go ahead and show you another one I have. This is a DX5. This is one of my first ones. I've flown her, I can't even count how many times I've flown her. As you can see, I've had to cut parts off of her after I've crashed, but she's still flying. I guess I paid somewhere in the neighborhood of around $50 for her. Well, there you have it, folks. That's the DRO005, the streaming video drone from Sharper Image. This is a Silvertop Flyer, signing out.